With Tanda Gidigba to promote peace for countries under ECOWAS, Muhammadu Buhari na im tok dis one. President for Naija, Muhammadu Buhari don tok say Naija dey committed to help promote peace and harmony among countries wey dey under ECOWAS for prosperity. E tok dis one for one visit wey di former President Goodluck Jonathan, wey come still be di special envoy to Mali, and di new ECOWAS Commission Dr. Umar Aliyu Toure of di Gambia on Wednesday for Abuja. The visit na to brief President Buhari on the present katakata between Mali and Cote d'Ivoire over the arrest of 49 Ivorian soldiers wey dey inside Mali. Sake of dis, Mali tok say dem enter their country illegally and na only 3 women dem don release. Dis matter dey cause serious gbege between the two countries. Cote d'Ivoire come tok say dis one na hostage taking and dis one go cause katakata make ECOWAS come intervene for the matter. President Buhari come tok say make dem sharply resolve the matter. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party.